What's next, Doc for?
Oh, you focus on that?
1/4 cup of blue dish soap.
Let's see, where did we leave off? Oh, a few drops of food coloring.
Okay, this is not so how many?
You made slime before. How many drops did you put in?
5?
Thinking 5? Okay, let's start with 5.
Cyan.
Whoa.
That's fancy.
That is very fancy.
Cyan too.
What's your favorite color? Okay, Cyancy, look.
Yeah, it kind of looks like this. Hello to your brother for us.
Yes, have a great rest of the day.
Are you guys leaving?
Nice to meet you. Oh, all together. See you later.
Thank you. Look, Gigi.
Oh, man.
It's okay.
Bye-bye.
When your life gives you lemons, you make lemonade.
Carefree Charlie on the 1, 2, 3s. Carefree Charlie.
I like that color. You think that looks good on me? Yeah, I think so too.
Exciting. Have you actually been in a monster truck? Yeah, sure.
My name's Doc Ford. Oh, you calling my friend Charles?
Because they took you around.
Chuckleberry John, it's you. It's very...
Can I have a hug, Mason? Did a great job, Mason.